All right. This is a fact and opinion, how and why we might use them. Fourth grade flipped presentation. The ELA standard is W4.1, writes opinion pieces on topics or texts, supporting a point of view with reasons and information. A, knows the difference between facts and opinions. So 2 questions to keep in mind as we move through this presentation. How and why might we use facts and opinions when speaking or writing? So we're going to go over some of the basics of facts and opinions. So what I want you to do is reflect while we're going through this and be thinking why. Why is it important to know these things? Secondly, why might it be important for you to know, the listener or the reader, whether the person that is speaking or that you're reading from is using facts or opinions? Why is it important to know that? So first, we're going to watch a video. Just going to be a brief overview.
Fact and opinion. What is a fact? A fact is something that is always true. Facts can be proven. We can find facts by doing research in books, on the internet, or we could even do research of our own. Here's an example of a fact. Dogs need food and water to survive. This is always true. You could find this information in a book or on the internet. What is an opinion? An opinion is what you think or feel. It cannot be proven. Here's an example of an opinion. Dogs are the best pets. That's what I think. I love dogs. That's how I feel. But these are just my opinions because someone could say, no way, cats are the best pets. Let's see what you learned. Fact or opinion? The sun is hot. You're right, it's a fact. This can be proven. We can prove it by doing research in a book or on the internet. Fact or opinion? Coffee is delicious. You're right, that's an opinion because someone could say, ew, coffee isn't delicious. Fact or opinion? An apple is a fruit. You're right, it's a fact. An apple is a fruit. That is always true. So remember, if you're trying to figure out whether something is a fact or not, you can ask yourself, is it always true? Can it be proven? And if the answer is yes, then you found a fact.
Alrighty. Okay. Let's get back to it here. So, per the video, just to review and reflect, difference in facts and opinions. Facts can be confirmed by evidence or research that is done by credible resources or by experts in the field. So the place where you get your information or facts is called a source, and you want your source to be credible. Now this here says it can't be your friends and family, but let's say that your mom's a doctor. If your mom's a doctor and she says, hey friend, don't jump off that slide, you might break your arm. Well, I'll tell you what, I sure would believe her because she's a doctor. So also, opinions from experts per this can be factual. On the opinion side, opinions may not have evidence to support, and then the language that's used can give you clues to that it's opinion. So if you hear the words, I feel, I think, in my opinion, then those are likely an opinion. Also, if you hear the words wonderful, terrible, best, dreadful, those are also keywords. There's another way here. A fact is a true statement that you can prove all of the time. Some of the things that you might see in keywords here, you may see dates. So September 11th, 2001, for example. Numbers, anything with math, right? Science, historical dates and facts, events, and then nonfiction. Opinions are someone else's ideas or feelings about something. And then you might hear the words, I prefer, I think, I feel, I believe, words that end in ER like this is better than that, and EST like prettiest. We are going to go ahead and put this into practice. You will be getting some prompts on the screen to answer these questions, but these are just some quick, just a quick little Quizlet here. These will be prompted on your screen for you to follow along with. Okay. Let's go back here. And we're just going to go back to the first one. All right. So this is going to pop up on your screen for you to put in your answer. So fact or opinion. My dogs are the best dogs in the world. This is an opinion. Opinions give listeners or readers insight to a person's thoughts or feelings about something, and you can't prove this. As much as I will sit and argue this with you, that my dogs are the best dogs in the world, all three of them, even though they're kind of raggedy sometimes, I cannot prove that with science. Fact or opinion? Let's see here. The next one. Fact or opinion? My dentist said I need to stop eating so much candy and brush my teeth twice a day or I could get a cavity. Fact or opinion? This indeed is a fact. Facts can be proven by scientific data and research studies. This also comes from an expert in the field. The source is a dentist, a tooth doctor. Fact or opinion? Spiders are creepy. As fully as I believe this in my heart, and the key word here, friends, is believe. This is an opinion. This is a belief and a feeling that some people share about spiders, myself included, but others find spiders to be fascinating. So the statement, spiders are creepy, cannot be proven by scientific factual data. Fact or opinion, 20 plus 20 equals 45. This is a fact. This can be proven easily through mental math, working it out on paper, using a calculator, or other computing devices. There's lots of them. Fact or opinion, red and yellow mixed together create the color orange. This is a fact, and it can be proven by doing this in an experiment yourself. Whether that's paints or Play-Doh, you take the two colors, mix them together, you will always get orange. Now, you may get variations of the shade orange if you use more or less red and yellow together, but you will always get a variation of orange. Fact or opinion, chocolate ice cream is way better than strawberry ice cream. This is an opinion. This is not something that can be proven to be true all the time. Other people will believe and feel differently about their favorite ice cream flavors, probably as you all well know. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. There's going to be a prompt again. We'll reflect, not in our journals, but per the prompt on the screen, how and why do you think we might use facts and opinions? When and where do you think we might use them? We'll go into more detail about this later, but I want to know what your thinking is now. Secondly, Why is it important to know whether a speaker or a writer is using facts or opinions? What do you think about that? Why might it be important to know that? Lastly, I want you to go ahead in a notebook or some piece of paper, create a T-chart. I want you to label one side fact and one side opinion. I want you to number 1 through 3 on each side. So you've got your T-chart. Let me see if I can. You'll have your T-chart. And what you'll do is you're going to create a T here. On one side, I want you to label fact, and the other one opinion. And if you do it just like this, that's fine too. And then I want 1, 2, 3 facts, and 1, 2, 3 opinions. Okay, so these facts and opinions, I wrote your favorite animal, but honestly, I want you to be able to come up with these easily. So you can give me 3 facts about your favorite animal, 3 opinions about your favorite animal, 3 facts and opinions about your favorite food, whatever it is that helps you, whatever it is helps the answers come out easier for you. Don't worry about whether they're wrong or right now. And don't worry about the reasoning right now. If you would like to jot down in a little bit of space underneath, let's say we write down fact. Cats are mammals. And then underneath you want to write the reason is because I found it on this encyclopedia. Go for it. If not, we will have plenty of time to do that in class. Yeah, so don't worry about that. Otherwise, thank you for your time.